Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your AT&T prepaid account step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer. Type att.com/prepaid into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the AT&T prepaid page to fully load. Look for the option that says sign in or log in. Click or tap sign in to open the login screen. If you are using a shared device, make sure no one else is signed in. Find the field for your user ID or email address. Enter the user ID or email link to your AT&T prepaid account. Move to the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to see what you typed, use the show password icon if available. Confirm that your spelling is correct before continuing. Click or tap the sign in button. Wait a few seconds while AT&T verifies your information. If you are asked for a security code, choose to receive it by text or email. Open the text message or email and copy the verification code. Return to the login page and enter the code in the required field. Submit the code to complete verification. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter the requested account details to reset your password. Create a new strong password and save it somewhere secure. Go back to the sign-in page after resetting your password. Sign in again with your user ID and your new password. Once logged in, confirm you are on the account overview page. Check that your balance, plan, and payment options are visible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try a different browser. If sign-in still fails, clear your browser cache and cookies and try again. For app access, install the My AT&T app, open it, and use the same login details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.